When I bought the Bentley last year, one of the previous owners had taken some things from the car. The toolbox and the LambsWool rugs. Now when I say LambsWool rugs, that's what they're called, but they're actually floor mats. And the car was specified new with Cherry Red LambsWool Rugs. Anyway, I bought a new toolbox. I've also found some history about the car, but it's always annoyed me that it hasn't got the LambsWool rugs. So I saw these on eBay, and I believe they're new old stock, and I believe that they're exactly the right ones for my car. Let's hope so. So this is the unboxing of the LambsWool rugs, and then we'll go and see if they fit the car. They were quite expensive, but nothing like as expensive as they should be. So let's hope I've got a bargain. Right, okay. So let's see what we've got. They've just been delivered by Parcel Force. A few minutes ago. And the Parcel Force guy said, oh, they seem a bit bendy, I hope they're supposed to be. So I told him what they were. Ooh, feels lovely and soft. If I can pull them out. Original equipment: Rolls-Royce and Bentley motor cars. LambsWool rugs, exclusively made by Paul Blanche of Manchester. Wow! So this is the driver's mat. There's the label. Lovely and thick and soft, and look new, because I don't know, but I think they are fairly old, but I think they've not been used, so I think they're new old stock. I can't be certain. I know Flying Spares can make you a set of these, but But it's always best to have the original, isn't it? Now, where's my scissors gone? No idea. They're absolutely gorgeous, and they're as new. I don't know if I dare put my feet on them. So this is the one for the back of the back seat. So this goes on the floor. A bit for the bit for the drive tunnel, and the bit that goes down the side of the seat. Absolutely lovely. And this is the front passenger one. It has a label. It says Broughton's. There's the other label. The other label says original Rolls-Royce and Bentley motorcar LambsWool Rugs, exclusively made by Paul Blanche of Manchester. Genuine sheepskin rug, handmade, skilled craftsman Paul Blanche of Manchester, and a telephone number. And as I say, as far as I know, they're the period correct original. So I need to make sure they fit in the car. This is the Bentley that's going to receive the new rugs. As you can see, the carpets are in really good condition for a 37-year-old car, which does lead me to think that they were probably covered up for most of the car's life, which makes me think that the LambsWool rugs were probably removed fairly recently. The car appears to have been involved in some kind of court case before I bought it. Obviously I don't know, but maybe the rugs and the toolbox and the service history were lost during this court case. So let's put these LambsWool rugs in the car. I have copies of the build sheets and the orders, and the car was specified with Cherry Red LambsWool Rugs. And I'm guessing that these are Cherry Red LambsWool Rugs, so they're what the car would have had from new. The seller told me that these rugs were removed from a brand new car back in the day, and the car sold without them, and the rugs just stored, and I think that is probably absolutely true. And looking at the label on the back, which says Broughton's, I'm guessing that it may have been Broughton's Rolls-Royce Bentley dealers in Cheltenham. Which has been taken over by another company now, but it's still a Rolls-Royce Bentley garage. I'm just guessing, but I think these rugs are absolutely genuine and of the era. And actually better, because the rugs that were supplied with this car would now have 37 years of wear on them, whereas these are like brand new. I'm not sure they're in quite right to my satisfaction. I need to flatten them a bit and tuck things in a bit, etc. Make sure I've got the rear ones in the right way round, but yeah, they're great, beautiful. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.